Yo, what's up with it, trade gang? Dang, hold up. Alright, so we got a little latency thing going on. We're gonna have to work with it for now. But what's up with it, gang? It is GM the Pip Guy, and we here to get some dubs, man. We here to goddamn stock these markets and see what's going on, man. Like, it's the weekend. You guys will be getting the raw, unfiltered, straight through footage of what I'm going to be dropping, like just content as far as like me, trades I'm taking, what I'm looking at for the week, the profits, P&Ls, all that good stuff. You guys will be seeing that raw. Let's go over what's going on right now, bro. There's something beautiful going on inside of my journey right now. So this is my evaluation account for Apex funding. I purchased a 300K account. We passed it within 2 trader days, and yeah, bro, I just kind of kept going after that. This account as well. I need to take this funding pips account, right? Trade it, get a withdrawal off of this funding pips account to fund my Apex trader account to trade 300K. Boom, take that withdrawal and fund back into a bigger account. I'm challenging myself, and I'm at a point that I have not been before, but it feels familiar. This was the expectation, and this was the delivery of price. There's like almost thousands of trades that I can show you guys where I've had this type of scenario play out, where I'm saying these are the conditions that need to be met, and this is what to expect from the conditions, right? The conditions to expect play out. Why? Because the market is systematic, and yeah, bro, I just understand the system. So, boom, go bearish. I was expecting bullishness on here, but it started going bearish, so I ended up flipping sides, if I'm correct. I've had sleepless nights, fucking thousands of hours on charts, thousands of dollars lost. You can name it. I've been through the trenches of trading, bro. And I think it's just now time for me to start documenting my journey, and for someone like you to see this and see just what's possible out of this whole opportunity. But yeah, my name is GM the Pip Guy, as y'all should know me. And I've been trading for about 5 years now. Just started seeing some profitability around last year. I just want to say that stick around, man, because it's going to be a lot of value, free game, free sauce being dropped. You never know what you might learn from somebody that's been through a place that you're trying to get to. You feel me? I'm talking to you right there. I see you watching this video, and I appreciate you for being here. So it's my first vlog, you guys. I'm trying to get back into the YouTube stratosphere. I know that I have a lot of value to give, and it feels just kind of wasteful for me to just hold it all in and just keep it all to myself, you know? So I want to give back. I want to do it to show myself that you don't have to wait. You don't have to become profitable. You don't have to have even the results that people want to see. As long as you're putting out content that is honest, is helpful, and the content that may change someone's life just by, you know what I'm saying, just having a simple conversation. Like, that's why I'm here. I'm not always doing the right thing. I'm not always doing things that are best for me, right? So that's why I'm still elevating them. It takes time, man. It takes time. That's all I can say. And we are getting there. Is we can get into a quick market outlook. But before we get into the market outlook, I just want to stop and talk and give a little bit of game, man. What I want to really talk about is like what it takes to get over that hump, right? What does it really take as a trader and as someone who's been in this opportunity, who's struggling, who's been in this opportunity, may not know what they're doing, or who's just lost, right? I've been there. So what you should do, my friend, what you should do is open your laptop, buy you a $14.99 TradingView membership, buy you a course, learn the system, backtest that system, open you a Notion profile, right? Make you a documents folder. After you make your folder, what you need to do is then start taking trades, backtesting trades. From backtesting your trades, you will grow confidence in your system. You will start seeing what works and what doesn't work. It's kind of hard to see what doesn't work and what works, just going off of what your brain says. I'm not gonna lie. I've had some success doing it, and I've had some failure doing it. A great total perspective of it, I think backtesting is pretty good, because backtesting, it gives us the opportunity to see what mistakes we may have made in our system. We don't have to take the hit for seeing the mistake that we made in the system, right? So therefore, we can still improve the system without taking the emotional turmoil that comes behind that. And that's the whole beauty in behind backtesting, because if we can do that 1,000 times over again, by the time it's time to take a trade and put money really on the line, even if I lost the trade, I'm all right, because I know the system works. And my system only works because I put time into understanding and learning the right stuff and seeing what really works, right? Yeah, man, it takes a lot. Success takes a lot of sacrifice. I'm not even successful yet. I'm just doing all the things that it takes to be successful. So I know that I'm gonna be there eventually, right? So stage 1, stage 2 analysis. See how the trends are playing out and just see what's going on around these markets. A little focused on futures right now. Trying to get my futures account stacked up. So we're gonna start with futures for our post-market analysis. Okay, we lit. Say less. Alright, so I need to get to my blue list. Damn, son. Where'd you find this? Alright, y'all. So, let's go over what's going on right now, bro. There's something beautiful going on inside of my journey right now. So boom, this is my evaluation account for Apex funding, and I purchased a 300K account, and yeah, I traded for about 4 or 5 days. We passed it within 2 trading days, and yeah, bro, I just kind of kept going after that, and I signed my agreement, and now I have to pay my activation fee. This is what we're working on, and I'm currently challenging myself, man. I'm challenging myself, and I'm at a point that I have not been before, but it feels familiar. So I think I'll be all right. So boom, this is the other thing. We see that I'm also funded with this account as well, and I failed some, I passed some. Right, I've had a master account. I've ended up failing that account, and I kind of just left funding pips alone. Boom. So I said I'm in a position that feels familiar, but it's not entirely the same. So what I need to do from this is I need to take this funding pips account, right? I need to take this funding pips account, trade it, get a withdrawal off of this funding pips account to fund my Apex Trader account, to trade 300K. Boom, take that withdrawal and fund back into a bigger account, so I can become the profitable trader that you guys need to see. And this is why I'm recording this whole process because I know that I could do it. I believe in my system. I believe in my strategy. I just think that it'll be such a beautiful thing for you guys to see, right? Just see what a little bit of faith, a little bit of hope does in this world. Yeah, man, like I'm just a living testimony of this shit, bro. I put in the work. I've had sleepless nights, fucking thousands of hours on charts, thousands of dollars lost. You can name it. I've been through the trenches of trading, bro. I think it's just now time for me to start documenting my journey and for someone like you to see this and see just what's possible out of this whole opportunity. So, boom, we took trades on gold and USD JPY. Took buys on USD JPY. These trades that I took, I actually won no trades for today. Oh, yeah, it was what today, I think. Yesterday, the trading day is actually today. It's Friday. So I just passed the 5K. What's the name? Last night, I guess. I don't even remember at this point, bro. I just be following the system. Like, if we go to gold and we look at this, so boom, you guys, we took loans on gold. So I had this formulation, or I seen the models that I need to see, right? And then boom, price played out, and I was expecting for prices to explode. We were about right here, and I was saying that, hey, we were bullish before. Okay, now boom, I seen the money had started left the market. I was in positions here, and those positions ended up coming back. I got stopped at a break even, and boom, that doesn't mean that we've lost bullishness, right? So boom, I just simply waited for money to start coming back inside of the markets, and boom, money began to count into the markets on a micro level as this stage 1 and stage 2 was occurring, and then boom, we're basically doing everything that I need to do around this time. And I got in around here, and we were expecting prices to go bullish because this was the expectation, and this was the delivery of price. There's like almost thousands of trades that I can show you guys where I've had this type of scenario play out, where I'm saying we're in this type of condition of the market. These are the conditions that need to be met, and this is what to expect from the conditions. The conditions to expect play out. Why? Because the market is systematic. And yeah, bro, I just understand the system. We're now to stage 2. I was just looking at this just a second ago. I was saying we were in reaccumulation because of this breakdown. This means that we are now in a reaccumulation for more money to start pumping into this market. What we can expect for gold is for it to keep rising higher. A type 5 demand right here. I'm not going to try to keep anything from you guys or have like some secret type of code or anything like that, but like I'm not just gonna like stop and give you guys a full breakdown of my system. You just have to watch and try to decipher through the way. You can ask questions. I have no problem with you guys asking questions. Type 5, right? We got type 5 right here. We got a potential type 5 that's forming. So what we need to see off of this is an expansion away, bro, and this is what we're starting to see. Let's go for you. USD JPY, on the other hand, we took setups on this pair, and we were expecting prices to go. I was expecting bullishness on here, but it started going bearish, so I ended up flipping sides. Okay, we don't even have any analysis for it. Let's see if I can find what time I got in. These trades right here were really a buzz today. Okay. 156, 550 p.m. 156, 550 p.m. 156, 550. 156, 550. All right. So, boom. You guys, this is what's going on. We were expecting longs on USD JPY because I seen the models that we were in. I noticed that prices were breaking up, we broke down, and we were still inside of a reaccumulation model. We were expecting prices to take out these highs. Fairly enough, prices began to print in demand zones. Prices began to fill those demand zones for them to start taking highs. Right, as this was happening, I was getting stacked up inside of positions right here. Stack. Boom. This just came. A little bit of drawdown. Boom. And we went into profit. Right. So boom, as we were up here, I noticed that the market was starting to reverse, and Right around, I want to say this candlestick, somewhere in between this and this candlestick, I was like, hey, no, this is not what's going on, you guys. We are bearish, probably could possibly come and retrace and keep taking out lows since we've already done it so heavily this morning. Or nonetheless, price came, broke down, moved erratically just how we needed to do, and we took shorts around this area and began to fall. Fell off the earth. We are still expecting these lows to get tapped because this is what prices do. Now, if these demand zones decide to hold, and I see break up, so I know this is probably a redistribution. If I see prices break up past this structure, more than likely not a redistribution, because we have multiple breaks, multiple structural breaks, and if I see two of those, more than likely, bro, prices are just gonna keep going bullish. We got some pretty cool stuff to watch for. Mainly bearish for USD JPY at the moment, just because how price action presented itself and the way volume expanded quickly and it rose weekly and began to fall down, showing insufficiency in price. And it's also, with the insufficiency shown, it shows us that there's more inefficiency that may need to get tapped into and accommodated for after making this big pull. And we see that this pull is not living up to what it needs to. As we're breaking these older structural levels, breaking up past this area, we're not breaking heavily past this area, we're just breaking past this area. So if we break down and we see another low get created, then I'll be looking for some sort of way to attack that low for us to keep potentially going further into this price action and maybe ending up somewhere down here where price could support itself, or either just keep going lower, because this is just what price action likes to do. And there's an unmitigated zone down here on my line. Ooh. So we do notice that there's a mitigation right there. So yeah. Enough said, you guys. Enough said. USD JPY, we are mainly bearish, bro. I'm looking to target these zones right here on a wider scale. Bro, it's a possibility that we could go bullish, but the volume is not there for it. So therefore, I am not looking for bullishness on USD JPY. Now, if the volume decides to push up above this 200 EMA, and I see that it's starting to sustain itself with the proper demand zones that I would like to see, then I would probably take this market bullish. But other than that, I am seeing beautiful bearishness. Beautiful bearishness. Right? Beautiful bearishness. And we potentially could see prices fall through and keep going short to the end of this week. Kind of getting short on time. I still want to go over a few futures. Haven't got to a future yet, but we're gonna go over corn first, you guys. Took some beautiful trades on corn that allowed me to pass my funded account, and yeah, these trades they're still playing out actually, but they're kind of reversing now, and it's giving us a no trade opportunity. So we're gonna see how we can take advantage of those and see what's going on with that market, as we can see how we can decipher this going forward, going into the next weeks. So yeah, it's G on the Pip Guy, and we out.